holidays are over. It's the second semester. Your barkada sa Abada are back in action, and we are here again at the GK Kasanag Village in Granada. So right now, it is January 18, and our group completed our community profile over the break, and we have already organized and discussed the list of health issues in the community according to the data we gathered during the first semester. The majority of issues that we encountered here are mostly lifestyle-related conditions such as diabetes and hypertension, among many others. So guys, I'm just gonna have my voice a little bit lower here, and I apologize for that because as you can see, some of our group mates are talking to some of the residents here in GK Kasanag. So today we are here in the community to ask a more focused set of questions related to the major health issues experienced here in the community so that we can polish the tentative program that we came up with. And also, we are going around and checking the BP, the blood pressure, and the vital statistics of our residents so that we can monitor their health status after the holiday season.
Pero may bago man ka mga problema parte sa health nga gusto niyo i-share na sa amon man sa nang balaw galigin ni ng ulo galigin ng imo nga ulo sa inyo yan ba? Kung may problema, kamo bala mamahaw ng paano nyo ginatubang ang problema kayo na?
Sa akong nag-share ko na sa mga bata.
Nakatawayan ka man.
Oo, tapos namin, mag-video ako may gina-istorya ka. Kaya ito, syempre, pero daw mga kwa, malimo nga lain mo.
Wala na edad mo, sir?
55. Ginagawa mo lang magka-monitor. Punta.
So as you can see, we are in a different part of the community, in a different location, and one of these houses right here, we have a stroke patient. So they are being closely monitored because they are in sort of a critical condition. Aside from his health issues, they are in an unfortunate catastrophic situation because their son stopped working to take care of our patient. So right now, our colleagues are checking up on them and monitoring them and generally just doing a well-being check after the holidays.
Basta once na makulbaan ko bala na ako lang isa way gusto gawin ka blanco din mo ko din kisa gahibi ko na daw hindi ako chingian gasulit ko na dayon sa balay kag magsige lang ko ibi istoryaw niya lang ko nakaging kapkapon niya lang ko bala na do pa pakalma bala ikutot ka daw taday nga ako ulo day para maapan ko sige sa istorya ko sige lang ko blanco yung tukoy sige lang ko luwa something na puro sa ako na sakit.
At least kung may doktor, wala pa rin sa inyo, at least nang makabalo sa ako na kita, isa-ibis na mong pati sa amon. Gusto, yaya kung simple ka mo, yung mga dito mo, yung mga amogin niya inyo, nga daan, yung profession.
Okay, so we're back here near the community activity center, and so far this video has been an overview of what we have been doing today. So yeah, again, we are consolidating and finalizing our data, and after we do that, or after we finalize our focused set of information, we are going to consolidate these in a document and of course in a presentation so that we can present these to our community and we can also show them our findings, our project proposal, so that we can gather their input also and to encourage a collaborative decision-making environment for the program.
It's feasible, but are we sure? Masatong na side, if pwede nyo mabili ka, sustainable. Kaya pinong mula na lang. How sustainable is it? Kasi ano sila self-sustain sila.
Especially ang imong smoke na nagigiro niya ang
Everyone knows this, but the thing is,
they really need that visually how like the cigarette box.
Yung mga cigarette box ng mga...
So, okay lang siya. Physical man siya. Kung ang atin nga gamitin natin sa information.
Infographics.
Pero ano ang point system? Kung feeling mo 50 na kapon niya, taon na after sila, ang kulaan ko lang niya.
Ang feasible siya.
Visual.
I would say feasibility is pretty high. I would put it at 18. Ang 18 at most. But because ang sustainability, hindi na makasure if we can leave a legacy there, if it's gonna impact it long term. Kaya ang long term sustainability, mga sustainability sila eh. So I would bring it 2 points down, so I give it 16. 16, okay.
Agenda is i-present namon sa inyo, ma'am, ang data ito lang ang gather nato sa class, ang sa papel ito gipaansweran. So gin-gather namon, gin-compute na namon, and may ara kami list of problems, or di ba siya problems, or ng mga i-address na pala sa aming nga lugar. Doon specific kami sa health lang.
Ang hamutani na programa na gusto na mo tani, ang kita naman pwede makabulig is parte sa lifestyle modification. Bali, ang gusto siyang hambali ayana na hindi na siling na physical ang kinanda natin, kundi mental, kag pwede man spiritual, ano man, kung ako man na ang kinanda is inyo, kung ako na ang tani ng gusto nyo. Kaya bali, ang una-una tani is i-try natin i-clean up anay delivery center nila namutan nila suggestion is ma-clean up ta anay sa delivery sa inyo kung kamay na butika ito dira ka ng inyo na do center wala kang ma-clean up mayroon ka mo na mga kulong kung ano lumanda tara ka magpagpog
Tapos, upod sa clean up na is also not only there is sa ating center but also tani sa palibot naton. Bali, mag-clean up drive ka, maguligan ay kitatanan na pag-control lang ang mga basura.
Gamay naman na siya yung istorya. Wala ka mga parte sa mga hypertension. Hypertension, di ba? Tapos isa, mga blood sugar na taas, diabetic. Amin yung diabetic na kamo, pero pag-check nyo gali, may criteria na mo na kung diabetic, na base wala mang kong simptomas, wala kong hindi ang diabetic. Grabe mabuhaw, nang grabe magkawol, grabe pagkimangihig,
pwede ta siya ma-lessen. Pwede ta nga, hindi ka maka-high blood o kung diabetes kung kung tsaktuhod ng atong nga lifestyle.
And that's it. So, follow us next week for our next sojourn in GK Abada Eskay. And guys, again, remember, this is your Barkada sa Abada, and we will see you in the next vlog. Bye!